Have you ever listened to English and thought, I understand it, but I can't speak it? You're not alone. Today, you'll practice slow American English by repeating after me. Just listen, copy, and speak. By the end of this lesson, you'll sound more confident. And don't leave. Good morning. Today is a fresh start and a great day to practice English. I wake up early because I enjoy peaceful mornings. First, I open the window and take a deep breath. Then I drink a glass of water and make my bed. These small habits help me. After breakfast, I spend time practicing English. I don't try to memorize everything at once. Instead, I listen carefully and repeat each sentence aloud. Sometimes I make mistakes, but that's okay. Every mistake teaches me something new. Later in the day, I go to the grocery store to buy a few things. I need milk, eggs, bread, apples, and rice. The cashier smiles and says, "How are you today?" I smile back and answer, "I'm doing great." In the evening, I like to relax with a good book or a short English video. I write down new words and practice saying them several times. I don't worry about speaking perfectly. My goal is to speak clearly and naturally. After dinner, I call my friend and practice English for a few minutes. We ask simple questions and give simple answers. Sometimes we laugh when we make mistakes, but we never stop speaking. We know that confidence grows with practice. Every conversation helps us. On weekends, I like to visit a park or a coffee shop. I enjoy watching people and listening to everyday conversations. Native speakers don't always use difficult words. They often use short, simple, and natural sentences. That's why I focus on speaking. Before going to bed, I review the new words I learned today. Then I repeat my favorite sentences one more time. This helps me remember them for a longer time. Learning English is like exercising. The more you practice, the stronger you become. Now think about your own English journey. Maybe you are a beginner, or maybe you're trying to become more fluent. No matter where you are, every practice session brings you closer to your goal. Stay patient, stay consistent, and believe in yourself. One day, you'll realize that speaking English feels natural because you never gave up. Fantastic job! You finished today's shadowing English practice. Here's your bonus American idiom. Break the ice. It means to make people feel comfortable when meeting for the first time or starting a conversation. Example: she told a funny joke to break the ice at the meeting. Now it's your turn. Write your own sentence using "break the ice" in the comments below. I can't wait to read your answers. Keep practicing every day, and I'll see you in the next Shadowing English practice.